Welcome to Speed Earning Top 10. Today we are discussing how to see the charts in detail, because the trading is the science of observation only. When you are observing, you are learning everything about the market. So when you are seeing any chart, it may be intraday or historical, monthly or yearly chart, what should we notice at? We are discussing all those points here. So first of all, trading range should be seen. What is the trading range? What is the low and what is the high in a particular time frame? In a day, what is the low and high? In a month or year, what is the low and high? What is the degree of movement with which any script can move? So how many points difference is there between high and low in that time frame? So you should notice very minutely these things. Second point, try to find some repeating patterns. If there is some pattern, you need to find it, and there will be some pattern definitely. So within a period, within a time frame, there may be repetition after a particular interval. So in month you can see that after 3 or 4 days gap, sudden move is there, move maybe 3 to 5% or 5 to 8%, whatever is there. Then market profit booking is there, then range bound movement is there, then again after 7-8 days the movement comes. So you will have to see the repeating patterns. If you are going for 15 years chart, go to moneycontrol.com or way2wealth.com. There is 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and max means maybe 10 to 15 years chart. So in 10 to 15 years chart, you will have to see the patterns that this script made a high in that month, then it came down, it was in a range for 8 months or 15 months, then there was a relatively small high, then it broke the high again and made a new high. When it broke the all-time high, when it broke the yearly high, what was the behavior of movement? Was it sharp and sudden, or it was slow and steady movement? So you will see the patterns there. Third, see details of behavior of movements. Does it move regular, or there are sharp patterns, sharp moves, sudden moves? And fourth, does it go downside to touch support before jumping ahead? That is called frog leap move. Means when frog jumps forward, it stretches its body backwards just before jumping ahead. That is frog leap movement. So if you know this, then you can buy any script in the bottom and it will give you the sudden profit. Then what is the correlation between this script and sectoral index, or correlation between broad market indices? Means suppose if LT and BHEL are moving, then we will see what is the relation in capital goods or infrastructure sector and BHEL L&T. Correlation between two script of same sector, and sectors correlation with broad market indices, means nifty junior movement, nifty or Sensex movement, and the sectors movement. So you will have to see the correlation there. Now next thing, 6 point will be, we shall notice all these things. I told you range, then behavior. Now 6 point, do you find some narrow and broad ranges of price? You see some narrow range sometime there may be a broad range. So after how many narrow ranges the broad range comes, you will have to notice that. Then how can you use those ranges practically? Suppose we are finding some ranges, so how can we use it? Shall we put some particular buying order above resistance and particular selling order below the support? So how can we go for that? What will be our arrangements? Shall we use with options or cash market or future hedging? Then see the correlation of 2-3 scripts from same sectors and ups and downs of volume with up and down prices. So when volume goes up, what is the movement of price and what is the behavior of price with volumes behavior. See particular thing, timing pattern in intraday and short terms and long terms. So at particular which time slot the script is moving. In any market you can use this. You can use in MCX commodity market, you can use in stock market, future and option or cash market, you can use in currency as well. So these are the main things to notice in any chart. If you are noticing all these things, you will have a deep insight of the market, and that will make you earn and learn very in very high terms. So you can earn a lot from the market. You just keep observing, keep noticing and keep learning everything about the behavior and working up and movement of markets. Thank you. Bye.